Kalakwachera, Kalakwachera. Here we're going to the castle here in Sut Castle. T T S T R S A T. I don't know how to pronounce it. So we're going there. Look, they have a lion. It's a big lion and a small lion here outside the castle. Come and join us. We're walking with 39 degree. Look, it's so hot here in Sut Trust in Reka in Croatia. We're going to the castle, so we will see. The rest of the group is there already in the castle, and we only three are walking behind them. So we will have a look and we check. Look, overlooking, what a beautiful view. What happened to your slipper, my love? Oh, you get a lion there, the small lion, look, sitting beside you. And here they have a big lion. Look, come, we will go inside. I'm so excited to go inside. Wow, look at inside of this castle. They have a cannon. Look. Wow, it's ruined castle actually, but it's beautiful. This castle is from 1300. Look, and the group is there hiding from the sun because it's really so hot. And look, the overlooking view. You see really the whole Rijeka here in Croatia. So picture, we get family picture. Thank you, Kate, for our family picture. Look with the overviewing view. So we make a lot of picture. So picture muna tayo. Picture time. This is Rika's birthday. And look, my Rico is there looking with the overviewing view. With all these pictures. So mommy make picture first. Picture, everybody say cheese. At eto, selfie naman muna ako. Selfie picture. At ayan sila. Nag-iintay. So, look Rika, make picture with this big bat statue like you. Ayan. Intay. Ang laki-laki ng cactus. Or ng aloe vera. Look, my love will go up. Manchotan will go up. Look, my love go up there and make us pictures and sound videos. Look at that. My love is up over there very, very high. And Rika making pictures with his big butt, with a statue with big butt also. So there's my love over there, up there. Yes, this is the information of the castle. The castle is from 1300. The castle starts here in the overlooking of Rijeka. Look, ang ganda, overlooking siya talaga. Sobrang ganda here. Look, you can see everything here. Yes, this is from the castle. Look at this beautiful view. Yan, tingin-tingin na lang muna tayo ng view. Titingnan ko na lang mamaya sa video. Ito eh. There's my Banchoten up there. You see? He went up to the castle over there. Look. And he will make also some video later. Nice. And the rest are there down below. Look. Ang init kasi, sobrang init. So that's why we couldn't really explore the castle because it's very, very hot at the moment. Nakakapagod. Diyos ko, nakaka-high blood. Buti pa si Banchoten is very brave that he can go up there. So just make picture again. So this is compilation of our picture. So all the picture that Banchoten made, and also upstairs, very beautiful pictures. Nice picture, my love. Thank you so much for all the pictures. Thank you po. And look here sa labas ng castle. Look, mayroong stone wall. And look, what is, oh, that is the flyover. Ayan, at saka yung tunnel. Look, guard goes inside the tunnel of the stones. That's how, you see? Nawala. Ayun, nawala si Car. Pumasok sa loob ng stone tunnel. Ang galing-galing ng kanilang tunnel. Nice tunnel, ha? It's outside. Just, you can see it by the castle. Yeah, tapos na kaming mag-castle. Ayan, uwian na. Hindi. We're going to Rijeka Center. So, come and join us. And we will show you also the Rijeka City Center. So, come and join us, Kalakachero, Kalakachera.